Hello, good morning, Madam Teti and Ma'am Mukti. My name is Julian Kurnia. I am from 12 Science 2. My absent number is 14. My National Student ID number or NESN is 00424981112. First of all, I would like to thank to Madam Teti Helena and Ma'am Mukti Aningsi for giving me the opportunity to take the English practical exam. The purpose of this video is to complete the English practice exam. Hello, good morning viewers. Welcome back to the CNN News. We provide you reports from all around the world. With me, Julian Kurnia, and here is the topic line. North Korea conducts test firing of a hypersonic missile reaching 1,000 kilometers. North Korean leader Kim Jong-un watched the successful test firing of a hypersonic missile that hit a target in waters 1,000 kilometers away. State-run media reported Wednesday, a day after Japan and South Korea said Pyongyang had launched a suspected ballistic missile. The official Korean Central News Agency did not specify how fast the projectile traveled, but Japan and South Korea said Tuesday it flew at 10 times the speed of sound. It was the first time since March 2020 that Kim was reported to have watched a missile launch, and Tuesday's test was North Korea's second missile launch in less than a week, after he pledged to strengthen the nation's defenses at a meeting of the ruling Workers' Party of Korea held last year. The hard-to-intercept missile developed by North Korea, which is banned from firing ballistic missiles under the UN Security Council resolution, could be capable of reaching Japan, a close security ally of the United States. KCNA said that the latest test firing was aimed at the final verification of overall technical specification of the developed super hypersonic weapon system. Kim added that the press appreciated the practical achievements made by those involved in research related to the missile. The news agency said that the hypersonic glide vehicle made glide jump flight from 600 kilometers area before making a 240 kilometers corkscrew maneuvering from initial launch azimuth to the target azimuth. A hypersonic missile is designed to travel at more than 5 times the speed of sound. Given that, it is difficult for existing missile defense systems to intercept such projectile. North Korea's acquisition of a hypersonic missile capabilities would raise regional security concerns. Kim was quoted by the KCNA as saying Tuesday's test firing of the missile brought a great success in the field of developing hypersonic weapon, which is the most important strategic significance. The Rodong Sinman, the mouthpiece of the ruling party on Wednesday, ran a photo of a missile in the sky. At the first Congress of the ruling party in 5 years, in January 2021, North Korea promised to introduce a hypersonic gliding flight warhead. Tokyo and Seoul have been worried of the possibility of Pyongyang mounting a nuclear warhead on a hypersonic missile. Japan and South Korea have expressed regret over the North's test firing of missiles, while the United States has said it will consult closely with allies and partners over the situation on the Korean Peninsula. Japanese Defense Ministry Nobuo Kishi on Wednesday told reporters that Pyongyang had fired one ballistic missile eastward from inland, but its trajectory was possibly irregular as it also likely flew horizontally northward. Kishi said that if the trajectory was normal, the missile could have traveled less than 700 kilometers, but its travel distance might actually have been longer, adding the government is continuing to analyze the launch and has lodged the protest with North Korea through a diplomatic channel. China, however, has urged countries not to overreact to North Korea missiles launch, as Pyongyang's most influential economic and security allies is keen to successfully host the Beijing Winter Olympics slated to start February 4. Chinese Foreign Ministry spokesman Wang Wenbin told reporters in Beijing on Tuesday that the further research and assessment is needed to identify the nature of the projectile. All sides should avoid jumping to conclusion or overacting. North Korea test-fired a new type of submarine-launched ballistic missile in October 2021. Pyongyang also test-fired two short-range ballistic missiles from a rail-based system in mid-September last year, and launched what its state-run media said was a newly developed hypersonic missile later the same month. Pundits say North Korea will continue to develop missiles and weapons unless the United States provides security guarantees for Kim's role. But negotiations between Pyongyang and Washington over denuclearization have been stalled for more than 2 years. North Korea and the United States remain technically in a state of war as the 1950 to 1953 Korean War, in which US-led UN forces fought alongside the South against the North backed by China and the Soviet Union, ended in a ceasefire, not a peace treaty. Pyongyang has no diplomatic relation with Washington, Seoul, or Tokyo. Well, viewers, that's all the news for today. Thank you for watching. I'm Julian Cornea and all the crew signing out. Have a nice day and goodbye.